Imperma Board, being waterproof, mildew-resistant, insect-resistant, and impervious to most chemicals, will last longer than traditional boards and will not deteriorate over time. Boards are recyclable, which makes it better for the environment. Imperma Board is fire-resistant and self-extinguishing. It is a non-toxic product, which makes it human and environmentally friendly. It is lightweight, which makes it easier to work with, and saves on time and labor. Less wear and tear on machinery with no harmful dust particles. Does not split on edges when screwed together. Its screw retention performance is 2.5 times that of MDF. And it is far easier to spray paint and finish than MDF.